is David, and I like making cardboard stuff. And this is my big airplane. It can stand up now. We just need some wheels. One wheel right here, one wheel here, and one wheel here.